Just 1 tablet is enough for your cucumbers to start growing like crazy. This mixture works like a powerful regenerating booster for young cucumber plants. It strengthens their resistance and helps even weakened plants recover and grow stronger again. Cucumbers often struggle with powdery mildew and plant issues during humid weather, which is why they need regular support. The base of this mixture is aspirin containing acetyl salicylic acid, which supports the plant's natural regeneration and resilience. Take a bowl and add 2 aspirin tablets, then crush them thoroughly into a fine powder. It creates a light, delicate texture that dissolves easily in water and quickly releases its properties. Next, prepare a small pot and pour in half a liter of water. Add the crushed aspirin and simmer everything for about 10 minutes so the ingredients fully infuse into the water and create an active solution. While the mixture is still warm, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and stir thoroughly. The vinegar stabilizes the solution and improves its effectiveness in the soil, helping plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. Let the mixture cool completely. Then prepare a bucket with about 5 liters of water, pour in the finished concentrate, and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of gardening ammonia and stir again to create a fully active solution. Pour the finished fertilizer into a spray bottle and spray the cucumber leaves every few days during the intensive growth period. This helps the plants recover faster, become stronger and more resistant, while producing much larger and healthier harvests. Natural energy drops for abundant harvests and strong cucumber fruits. This is the best homemade fertilizer that will strengthen the plants and improve their resistance. Pour about 1 quart of water into a pot. It's best to use rainwater, which is natural, soft, and free from chlorine. Add 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Honey is a natural prebiotic that supports the growth of beneficial soil bacteria. It helps the roots absorb nutrients more efficiently, which speeds up plant growth. The next ingredient is iodine. Iodine has strong antiseptic properties. It protects cucumbers from fungi and bacteria, boosting their immunity. Add a few drops to the water. You can also add a bit of baking soda, which acts as a natural pH regulator for the soil. Mix everything vigorously to combine the ingredients and create an active solution. Water the cucumbers with this fertilizer once every 10 days, preferably in the morning or late afternoon. Thanks to this mixture, the soil becomes more fertile, the roots stronger, and the cucumbers firm and plump. This simple combination of natural ingredients acts as a growth booster. No chemicals, no costs, and a huge benefit for your garden. I fertilize hundreds of plants with this. Tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and other vegetables, but also potted flowers and those in the garden. And it is actually cost-free. A whole pitcher of fertilizer for basically peanuts. Sounds great, right? It has potassium in it, which is important for flowering and fruiting. It additionally has phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium in it. It reduces the development of pathogens. It protects the seedlings from rot. Currently, the briquette, as it is referred to, is increasingly used as a better alternative to fertilizers. It can increase yields by tens of % compared to lime fertilizers, for example. Briquettes are compressed coal dust. At the very beginning, take the briquette and break it into small pieces with a hammer. Do this in a bag so that the crumbs do not spill. Now the fine briquette sifts through a strainer into a bowl. You only need the contents of the bowl. Take a pitcher and pour half a liter of warm water into it. Now pour in our briquette. Mix it thoroughly. Another good alternative instead of fertilizer is coffee grounds. Pour a spoonful into the pot with coal and mix. Leave our concoction overnight. On the second day, add 500 milliliters of water. Pour our concoction through a strainer. If you've already done this, you can pour out liquid into a diffuser bottle and spray the plants without any problems. In addition, twice a month you can water your plants with our concoction. You will see the effects for sure. Water your cucumbers with this fertilizer already in May, and in summer, you will harvest buckets full of crunchy and healthy cucumbers. This is a natural mixture full of nutrients that strengthen plants, stimulate vigorous growth, and support heavy fruit production. Prepare a clean glass container. Add about 7 ounces of plain yogurt. Yogurt improves soil microflora, supports root development, and helps plants absorb nutrients more effectively. Next, add about 10 cloves. Cloves support the plant's natural protection and help keep seedlings healthy during growth. The next ingredient is dry yeast. Add 1 teaspoon because yeast stimulates root development, speeds up the growth of young plants, and supports intense flowering. Now it's time for turmeric. Add 1 teaspoon because it helps keep the soil healthy, supports mineral absorption, and strengthens plants during fruit production. Then slowly pour in about 17 fluid ounces of water while continuously stirring the mixture thoroughly. You can also close the container and shake it well, so all the ingredients combine properly and create a natural, nutrient-rich concentrate. Prepare a larger jar and pour the finished concentrate into it. Finally, pour the entire fertilizer into a bucket with about 1 gallon of water and mix thoroughly. Water cucumbers or other vegetables with this mixture once every 10 days, and the plants will quickly become stronger, greener, and full of life. Thanks to this natural fertilizer, your garden beds will produce abundant harvests throughout the entire season. I've been doing this for 50 years, and every year I harvest huge amounts of tomatoes. If you want large, sweet, and healthy tomatoes, you can't miss this one fertilizer. Many people use expensive fertilizers, but the best solution is often hidden in simple, natural ingredients you already have at home. Start by preparing a tall container for mixing the ingredients. The first ingredient is milk, which is rich in potassium that supports plant growth and fruit production. Measure out 1 cup and pour it into the container. Next, take a cup and a bag of dried chamomile tea. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties, supports plant development, and helps protect against diseases. Place the tea bag into the cup and pour hot water over it. Stir and let the infusion cool down. Once cooled, remove the tea bag and pour the chamomile infusion into the container with the milk. Mix everything thoroughly. Now prepare a jar and pour the finished fertilizer into it. Store it in a dark place. When you want to use the fertilizer, measure out about 3 ounces of the mixture and pour it into a watering can. Then add about 6 cups of water to dilute it and water your plants. Regular use of this natural fertilizer will ensure healthy growth and abundant tomato harvests. Natural ingredients are the true power of gardening. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive fertilizers to enjoy incredible harvests. Simple, homemade methods help your plants grow in perfect harmony with nature. 1 tablespoon of this can replace a ton of manure. No more spending money on expensive plant products. This mixture can replace several different fertilizers, and it costs almost nothing. It gives amazing results in the garden. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar to a bowl. Sugar boosts the amount of organic matter and encourages the growth of beneficial soil microbes. Then, add 3 teaspoons of potato starch. It's a natural source of potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, key nutrients for plant growth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. It has antifungal properties, helps plants absorb nutrients, and protects them from disease. Pour the mix into a blender. Add 1 quart of cold water and blend thoroughly until the liquid is smooth and uniform. Measure out 1 cup of the mixture and dilute it in about 2.5 gallons of water. This fertilizer is perfect for watering vegetables, flowers, and other plants. Your garden will soon burst with color and look absolutely stunning. Cheap, natural, and effective.